today I show you how to make beat FL Studio. So I'm gonna do like this. So first you get to do this, play the select tempo. I want this, okay, 116. Oh, nice kick. Okay, yeah, let's go. And then you do the hi-hat. Let's go. And then you put the snare here. Okay. Yo. Then you place this and do this. Yes. Then you now you need to look on this side here. Yes, and I'm gonna look for the one I want. So I go to back. Yes, I go here and I press instrument, keyboard, Electrica, open new channel. Yes, now you open the channel. No, what the crack? Oh my god. Oh yes, do that. Then go up here, do that. Yes, and then big picture. Now you need to put the cool thing. So I usually go like this in Arabic. Yes, I put this down. And you do like split them up. Yes, so can you do this? No. This gives you a very cool type beat, almost like, yes, I can do this. So it sounds like the Billie Eilish, yes. And you type this all the way, like this and this. And you see this one override, so you can delete. And you select the right channel, you can delete this. Then you add the new stuff. Yes, I like to do this. Then I like to add the dist and turn this down a little. Then you can go to pre and do this. Yes, so like this. Yes. Then I like to add the vocals. So I do this, ow. So now you start the record. Whoa. Yes. Whoa. Yes. Yes. Whoa. Sorry. AirPods. I think that's enough for the vocals, yes. So when you record the vocals, you do them for the other channel and you go like this and you go to reverb, yes, and make it wet. Whoa. Yes. Damn. Whoa. Yes. Yes. Oh, 3, Yeah, so basically guys, that was how to make the most fire beat in FL Studio you've ever heard. Goodbye.